Hello everyone. Today we will try to understand partition of Bengal. Bengal was one of the British province. There was 11 provinces in British government. Bengal was one of the province, and this province was partitioned on 16th October 1905. So first we will try to understand what is the partition of Bengal, and then we will try to understand why Bengal was partitioned. There is two view. One is given by the government why they partitioned the Bengal, and another one is given by the nationalist. I hope you are understanding who are the nationalists. If you don't know, look at previous lectures. So first we will try to understand Bengal province in the time period of 1905. That present day, which territory consists Bengal province, West Bengal, Bangladesh, some parts of Assam, and Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha. These are the present geographical region which Bengal province consists during 1905. So this geographical region. So first we are try to understand what is the partition. Was divided into the two part. One part was East Bengal and Assam with Dhaka as capital, and another part was Bengal with Calcutta as capital. So this is not the West Bengal; it is the just Bengal. And here Muslim were in the majority, and here Hindu were in the majority. So during this period, Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India. I hope you are getting the point. So Viceroy divided Lord Curzon Bengal province into the two part, and the reason why Curzon government partitioned the Bengal was given by the government is that Bengal was very big province, and it is very difficult to administer such a big province. So for the convenience of the administration, Bengal is partitioned into the two parts. This view is given by the government. For the convenience of administration, Bengal is partitioned into the two part. So Bengal was one of the province. It consists several geographical region which I mentioned you, and it is partitioned in two parts on 16th October 1905 by the Lord Curzon government. One is East Bengal and Assam, and another one is Bengal with Calcutta government. And the reason why Bengal province was partitioned given by the government is that for the administrative convenience. So I hope you are getting the point why Bengal was partition and what government give the view for the partition of the Bengal. Now come to the nationalist view. What nationalists were saying about the partition of the Bengal. So first nationalists rejected the government view that Bengal was not partition because of the big province and because of the administration. They were arguing that Bengal was partition for the policy of divide and rule because government divided Muslims and Hindu on the one hand and Bengalis and non-Bengalis on the other hand. Find out where Bengali peoples were in the majority in which region, this region or that region. So government divided them into two parts for divide and rule policy according to their divide and rule policy, not because of the administrative convenience. Bengal, as I told you earlier, that during the decade of 1860s, 70s, 80s, Indian nationalism started growing, especially in the region of Bengal, Bombay, and Madras, as I mentioned you earlier. And in the Bengal, it was growing in the region Calcutta. Calcutta became the hotspot for the growth of Indian nationalism spirit. So, government partition the Bengal in order to weaken this Indian nationalism spirit. That is the view given by the nationalist. And they were also saying if partition was based on the size of the province, size of the province is the reason for the partition, then why not Punjab, Bombay, and Madras province was partitioned? Because these provinces were also very large. So these provinces were also in the similar of Bengal if you look at the size of the Bengal. So nationalists were saying if you partition the Bengal because of the administrative convenience, because of the size of the Bengal province, then why you are not partitioning these provinces? So these are the argument given by the nationalists for the partition of Bengal. I hope you are getting what is the partition of Bengal and why it was partition. So summarize the entire lecture that Bengal was one of the province. It was partitioned into the two part by the Lord Curzon government on 16 October 1905, and there is two view given by the partition of Bengal, one by the government for the administrative convenience and one is given by the nationalist that government partition the Bengal for divide and rule policy, not for the administrative convenience. So I hope you are getting what is the partition of Bengal and why Bengal was partitioned. So this is the your partition of Bengal. Thank you for watching.